In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Wix website step by step. Whether you're starting a brand new online store or expanding your existing product range, adding products to your Wix site is essential for showcasing what you have to offer. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into this straightforward process that will have your products live and ready in no time. First, you'll need to open the Wix website editor. This is your main hub for customizing your site, and it's essential that you start here to make any changes. Provide yourself with a moment to familiarize yourself with the editor's interface if this is your first time accessing it. Once you're in the Wix website editor, look for the option that says Add Apps. This feature allows you to enhance your site's functionality by integrating various apps that Wix provides. Click on it to reveal the app market. In the search bar of the app market, type in Wix Stores. It's a highly effective tool that will facilitate your product management and selling processes on your website. As you type, relevant apps will start popping up immediately. Next, when you see Wix Stores in the list, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the app page where you can get more information about how it can benefit your online store. Once you're on the Wix Stores app page, you'll need to click on Add. By doing this, you're essentially integrating this app into your website's ecosystem, opening the doors for enhanced product management capabilities. With Wix Stores added, direct your attention to the option Manage Products. Clicking on this option will guide you to an area where you can oversee all aspects related to your products, from adding new ones to making adjustments to existing listings. To add a new product, locate and click on New Product. It's a straightforward process that starts with this simple click to initiate the setup of your product listing. Now, choose the type of product you want to add. This could be a physical item, a digital product, or maybe even a service. Clearly specifying the type will help tailor how the product is displayed and sold on your site. Once you've selected the product type, type in your product name. A clear, descriptive product name can do wonders for sales, so make sure it reflects what you're offering accurately. For visual appeal, click Add Images and choose an image. High-quality images are crucial for making your product listings appealing and trustworthy. With your image selected, click on Add to Page. By doing so, you're ensuring that the visual component of your product is ready to be seen by potential customers. Now, move on to fill up the product info. This section typically includes attributes like size, color, or other notable details. Ensuring accuracy here can help set appropriate customer expectations. After entering all the necessary product details, fill up the pricing section. Remember, transparency with pricing increases buyer trust and reduces potential customer support queries. Finally, after everything is set up, click on Save. This is a crucial step to ensure all your hard work becomes live and accessible to your site visitors. Congratulations, you have successfully added a product to your Wix website. By following these steps, you've enhanced your site's lineup and taken one more step towards growing your online presence. Keep up the good work, and thanks for watching.